guys, it's Miss Emma and Miss Jasmine from Kid City, and we are so excited to be here with you guys today. But today we have something super awesome planned for you guys. We're going to make Play-doh. And so Miss Jasmine, let's go over what we're going to need to make this Play-doh. First, we're going to need a bowl, and we're going to need 1 cup of flour, 1/3 cup of salt, a 1/2 cup of water, some food coloring to make it beautiful, and a tablespoon of oil. Miss Jasmine, are you ready to get started?
Yes.
So notice Miss Jasmine and I are standing a little bit farther apart, trying to keep each other safe, keep the germs away. And so if you're doing this with somebody else, you might want to do the same. So Miss Jasmine, what's the first thing we need to add to our Play-doh?
We need to add flour.
Flour into our pretty orange bowl.
1 cup of flour.
Awesome. And so then, do you remember what's next?
I believe it's the salt.
Salt. And how much salt are we going to put in?
1/3.
1/3 cup of salt.
Yes.
Alrighty. And so then, now we're going to add our water, and this is going to help make it all come together. Can you grab the water, Miss Jasmine?
Yes, I can. A little bit more. A little bit more.
You want to add a little bit more?
Yes.
Awesome. And so now it's my favorite part, and we're going to add some color to our Play-doh so we can make it super beautiful and we can make some awesome creations. What color should we do, Miss Jasmine?
I will do the rest of the red.
The rest of the red. So you just need a couple drops to make it pretty, and if you want to make it even brighter, you can add more. Or listen to Miss Jasmine. Use as much as you want.
I'm gonna go by the ingredients.
So Miss Jasmine's you're gonna mix it all up?
I'm gonna mix it all up.
Super soupy.
Stir it
And
up.
turning into a pinkish red.
Stir it up for love. Red for love. Because we love you.
It matches your shirt too.
Oh yeah.
Is it time for us to add our final ingredient?
It is.
And what is that final ingredient?
It is oil.
How much?
Tablespoon of oil. Don't make a mess. It's like me.
But if you do, you should wash your hands for 20 seconds.
So should I stop and go wash my hands?
No, you're good. We'll wash it at the end.
Oh. Pick it up. Can I just start using my hand?
Yeah.
Okay.
If it starts to get really hard stirring with the spoon, just take it out, or no, keep it in the bowl and just start mixing it up with your hands. Once it starts to get a little more together, then you can take it out of the bowl and mix it on the table.
Might need a little bit more water.
Oh yeah, see, ours is a little dry, so we're gonna have to add a little bit more water. So if yours is dry, add a little bit more water, or if yours gets too sticky, you can start adding some flour to make it more soft.
Dash.
Aha. There we go.
There, it's very squishy.
So Miss Jasmine, what do you think we could make with this Play-doh?
Well, the first one I learned was doing a worm, where you do this, but I think I need a little bit more flour.
Okay, let's see.
Because I did too much water.
Bring our giant bag of flour. There you go, Miss Jasmine.
This looks really yummy.
There you go, just a little bit more flour. This will help it smooth it out so we can roll our Play-doh and make our awesome creations. There we go.
It's firming up.
And so I actually tested this out yesterday, and I made some really cool yellow Play-doh. So Miss Jasmine and I are gonna have some super fun times this afternoon making our Play-doh creations. And we want to see your Play-doh creations too. So take a picture of your Play-doh creations after you've made it, or even while you're making it, and your cool creations you make after, and post it in the comments below. Miss Jasmine, you got it? And so we'll see you guys next time at the Kid City Corner.
I got it.
Oh look!
Yay!
See, Miss Jasmine made some bright pink Play-doh. And
Flour is the answer.
So we'll see you guys next time at the Kid City Corner. We miss you guys, and we're praying for y'all. Bye!
Just kidding.